photo opportunity lang. I think this is for the incoming 20th Congress, so they needed our photos. Yeah.
Sir, linawin ko matuloy yung tanong kanina. It's about the minority, proposition ng minority. So far, sir, ano yung initial discussion niya, sir? Magiging minority na ba, sir, talaga?
Wala pang ang final discussion. We've been kasi hindi kami magkasabay-sabay. I left for abroad, graduation ng kapatid ng anak ko. And then after that, pagdating ko, si Bam naman ang umalis. So hindi pa kami nagkakaroon ng masinsinang pag-uusap. So we're scheduling that, of course, sa lalong madaling panahon. I'd not want to preempt any discussion.
Wala pa kayo
hindi pa. Pero I'm sure malapit na yun dahil busy lang sa pag-aayos ng opisina, di ba? Yung ating hiring. But I'm sure that will come soon.
Si Tito Sen po expressed willingness to be minority leader. What are your thoughts on that?
Again, I will not preempt yung discussions namin nung kasi tandem kami tumakbo, di ba? And si Senator Risa was our pinaka-campaign coordinator manager. So we have to sit down first and discuss this.
Sure, nakukonsider yung emerging minority yung Duterte 5?
Again, I will not discuss until I've sat down with Bam and Risa.
Sir, sa impeachment po, ano po yung thoughts niyo sa pagkawit nito sa 20th Congress?
I already said this, na continuing body ang Senate, therefore the 20th Congress, as jurisdiction has been established and acquired sa 19th Congress, it will carry over to the 20th Congress. At ang tungkulin natin is to try and decide the case. No? Kung walang ebidensya o kulang ang ebidensya, hindi sapat, acquittal. Kung sapat naman ang ebidensya, conviction. So we have to go through the process. Kung meron silang ebidensya, ilabas nila at tayo ay magpapasya.
So, nakikita naman ba yung
hindi pa tayo officially nakaupo, so I will also refrain from making comments until such time. In the meantime, ako ay Senator-elect.
Sir, si Attorney Tongbol po sees the high probability daw na mag-file ng motion for early dismissal yung Camp ni VP Sara by next week. Are you saying that yan daw po yung...
Let's wait. Di pa naman nangyayari. So there's nothing to comment until it happens. In the meantime, it's speculative.
Pero sakaling ganun, anong proseso, sir?
Hintayin natin.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Exciting, and then at the same time learn a lot of things. No, pareho silang involved sa legislation pero magkaiba kasi mas maliit ang Senate kumpara sa Congress, pero I learned a lot of things during the briefing, pati yung legislation and conduct that binigay sa amin kanina.
So how are you preparing for the impeachment?
Well, I've been reviewing yung mga committee hearings ng Senate during the past few days. Binabalikan ko sa YouTube, pati yung sa website mismo ng Senate, tinitignan ko yung mga discussions, and then at the same time sa Congress, then yung mga press releases, binabalikan ko yung mga write-ups and newspapers. So, yun, isa sa preparations para naman hindi ako mawala. Ibig sabihin, in step ako what's happening right now. Alam ko, binalik na Senate sa Congress, yung impeachment. So, and what I heard, may babalik din ng Congress kaagad dito sa Senate. Pero, I don't know, may rule tayo na 1-year rule. I don't know how they will do that.
What can we expect from you, sir, as a new Senator Judge? This is your first time to be a Senator Judge in the impeachment. Ano expect mo tao sa inyo?
Well, I'm trained as a journalist. Diba? We're on evidence-based when we do our stories, diba? Statements on both sides. hindi mo pwedeng isa lang may nagrereklamo tapos kailangan kunin mo rin yung nirereklamo. So basically the same as a journalist and then as a senator judge, I have to look at the pieces of evidence submitted by the prosecution and then yung mga statements nila, and then I have to wait also for the evidence, pieces of evidence submitted by the defense, and then yung statements nila, and then we have to hear out, and then we have to review yung mga evidence na file. Hindi yun dahil sabi lang nito, sabi niyan gano'n, pakinggan mo pareho, and then you have to wait.
So, nag-debate ba kung pwede tumuwin sa 20th Congress ulit? Kayo ba may first stand na dapat itong tumuwin?
Well, we will just wait. I mean, I'm part of the 20th Congress. Depende na yun sa Congress, di ba? Kung how they will do that, itatawid agad nila ngayon sa 20th Congress, then we'll just have to wait. Since
sir, kasi it might be moved to a vote now.
Vote sa Senate?
Magtatrial kayo. Depende sa pananaw ng 20th Congress kung pwede o hindi.
Well, it depends kung anong sasabihin ng mga kasama na majority ng grupo sa 20th Congress and Senate. Kung pagpuputuhan nila or what.
Did you say you are prepared for the impeachment already?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm preparing. Kasi part yun ng constitutional duty ng isang senator. So, whether we like it or not, kung ako tatanungin mo, it will take so much time instead of focusing legislation. And I'm sure people, may ibang grupo na ayaw nila, pero nandyan na yan So, I guess we have to do our job. Question na lang is, paano? What will be the outcome? So depende pa rin doon sa mga evidence na will be submitted by the prosecution and then yung mga counter affidavits ng defense. So depende pa rin.
So kayo sir, gusto nyo matuloy sa 20th? You're of the belief na dapat ituloy nga siya sa 20th?
Sa akin lang naman, tinitingnan ko yung mga tao, binabasa ko hati. May mga nagsasabi na bakit pa itutuloy yan, sayang yung oras. May mga nagsasabi na no, let's hear it. We want to hear. Ano ba talaga? Meron ba? Sa akin naman, kung ako tatanungin personally, why not? Why not? Then, kung it's the VP is not guilty, then so be it. Then let's dismiss the case, di ba? Bakit natin pipilitin kung hindi siya guilty, di ba? Meron siya mga evidence, statements na will say so na she's innocent, di ba? She's not guilty. Pero kung the evidence will really, didiin siya doon, then you don't have a choice. So, nandiyan kailangan some people, or half of the population yata, wants to hear, ano bang meron dyan? Totoo ba o hindi, di ba? Yung kaiba naman, sayang ang oras.
So dapat, sir, dapat tingin sa 20th Congress, at least yung stand.
Stand ko, tingin na lang sa Congress, and para ilatagad sa tao, di ba? Para mawala din yung agam-agam. I believe even the camp of the BP wants na, sige, we're ready, we'll fight. We're not hiding anything. Parang ganun yung message ng office of the VP. We have nothing to hide, so why? Ganun din ako. If there's nothing to hide, then let's go. Let's go on.
So you
well, been there, done that. Same lot. Same lot. I'm looking forward to trying to get back the old feel of the Senate. At sana yung mga kasama natin dito ay ganun din. Ang masikasuhin ay yung maitaguyod ang integridad at reputasyon ng Senado. Yan ang mahalaga para yung tiwala ng ating mga kababayan hindi mawawala.
Pero sir, sa mga nag-i-develop na base ng impeachment case against VP Sara, sa tingin niyo medyo nababalitan ang integridad at ng Senate as institution?
Yung pagiging veterano ko na senador at pagiging veterano kong impeachment court judge, parang sinasabi sa akin na wag na muna ako magbigay ng komentaryo tungkol dun sa impeachment ni VP Sara. Mas magandang sa Senado na namin pag-usap-usapan yan or pagdating na ng impeachment court na kung aabutan namin.
Pero sir, dapat po first order of the day ng Senate under the 20th Congress yung kung tatawid doon, yung impeachment trial.
Well, hindi ko naman pwedeng sabihin yun dapat ang first article of the day, pero or first issue of the day. But then again, we leave it to the majority. Basta ang mahalaga is that we address any particular issue that crosses the Senate's perspective. Dapat ina-address kaagad. Huwag nating hayaan yung nanguhula ang taong bayan or ang mga karamihan ng mga babayan natin di malaman ano nangyayari. Kailangan transparent. Transparent ang Senate, transparent ang gobyerno.
So dapat threshed out ito bago pa mag-open ang Senate, sir?
Hindi siguro July 28, I don't know. Kung makakatawag kami ng caucus, siguro mapag-usapan. Hindi natin masabi, hindi natin alam kung anong takbo ng isip ng leadership ng Senate ngayon. So, mag-aantay muna tayo.
As far as your concern, sir, pagpasok sir ng 20th, you consider, sir, na aligned pa rin yung impeachment court or magkakaroon ba ng bagong discussion pa kung paano?
Well, as I said, right now, lahat yan up in the air. Hindi ko alam kasi kung anong plano nila Hindi kami part of the 19th Congress. And then, mahirap din namang magbigay ng komentaryo tungkol sa impeachment itself or sa mga procedures na dapat gawin. Ang dati kong binigay ng mga komentaryo is yung procedures ng pag-handle nun. Hindi nung impeachment proper. Yun ang mga sinasabi ko noon. At yun naman tinatanong si sa akin ng media, kaya ako sinasagot.
Pero sa kapasok ng bagong Congress, expected na mag-ano agad kayo, manumala agad na kayo as ano Congress?
Kung ongoing yung impeachment court, kailangan manumpa agad. Kung ongoing.
So, di ba? Sabihin, continuous talaga yung trabaho ng impeachment court?
Well, at the moment, because they have not addressed it particularly, and there is no other decision coming from any other branch of government, ganun ang sitwasyon.
Sir, pinaghahandaan nila, just in case na kayo maging SP, yung pag-handle dito sa impeachment case against VP Sara.
Malayo naman ang tao. Basta sa akin, I'm always ready. Aside from the fact that I've had a mastery of rules and procedures of the Senate, also the rules of court and the impeachment rules. Dahil ako yung author ng impeachment rules. If you will recall, I was the majority leader, chairman of the Committee on Rules during the impeachment of Chief Justice Corona. And that is why I crafted it and I presented it to the body and we approved it. At pag may in-approve ng ganun, may 15 days publication yan. So I doubt if they will change anything or any section or any particular provision in that particular rules. Yung impeachment rules na yun. Sapagkat if they do, may publication pang necessary yun after pag meron ginalaw. So lalong matatagalan yan, lalong madidelay yan. So I don't know what their plans are, but definitely I'm ready. May pardon?
Napaksa na po ng Pilihan. Nag-expect pa bang question sa 20th Congress? Kayo ba mas mag-release kayo how the impeachment court was considered?
Depende sa sitwasyon Depende kung ano datatnan namin. Depende kung ano datatnan namin. We don't know what the 19th Congress will do until June 30 until the 12 noon of June 30. So other than that, we will just have to decide or give our opinion after June 30. Dahil June 30, 12 noon, senador na kami.